Hello, and welcome to this Advanced React course that continues from the React Basics course in this specialization. Throughout this course, you'll learn more advanced React concepts. Let's take a moment to review some of the key concepts and skills that you'll learn. In the first module, you'll start by learning how to render and transform lists in React and work with forms. In this process, you will be introduced to the map method to perform transformation operations and render lists of components. Then, you'll learn about identifiers called keys, which are an integral component in list transformation in React. You'll dive into controlled components with a focus on creating a controlled form component in React and implementing your own feedback form. And you will revise what you know about props and state, exploring React context as a viable alternative to local state in certain situations. You can also look forward to working with practical examples using the Context Application Programming Interface, or API, to manage global state in your React apps. In Module 2, you'll gain an in-depth understanding of hooks. This includes learning the use and purpose of React hooks, the rules for using hooks in React, and how to build custom hooks in React. For example, you will learn about the purpose of the use state, use effect, and use reducer hooks and how to use them. In the third module, you will be introduced to a variety of more advanced concepts related to JSX, as used in React, such as components and elements. You'll explore the types of children within JSX, discovering the importance of component composition and the children prop, how to manipulate children in JSX, and the spread operator in React. You will also be introduced to the process and purpose of creating higher-order components and render props, starting with an introduction to cross-cutting concerns. Another important topic that will be covered is performance in your React apps, as well as testing and debugging your application. Plus, you'll learn about writing integration tests using the React testing library with a focus on testing the behavior of forms and exploring practical applications of tests. During these modules, you'll work through practical examples of theoretical concepts based on a restaurant called Little Lemon and encounter activities to test your knowledge and skills. And in the last module, you'll have the opportunity to demonstrate some of your learning and your practical advanced React skill set in a lab project where you'll code your own portfolio app. You'll also demonstrate your knowledge of these topics in a graded assessment. Well, I hope you're as excited as I am to work through this React Advanced course. Let's get started.